Huh? What is this for, Lupe? Woo! This is the aftermath. Oh!
Look at me, Lily.
Is that we're in the tree? Give me her. No.
I said look at me. The
Let
two
me-
of you look at me. Ready, set. Lily, you're not. Look at me and smile.
Say what's cracking. Where's your
Izzy.
Where's
Look at
your
me.
glove? Izzy, say yummy snow.
Bust out that now. Hold on, I got the camera too.
What's up?
Hi. See ya.
Hi, Booger. Hi, Booger. Here. Here, hold it. Say hi. Hi, Mama. Peekaboo. Hi, baby. Let's put it. This is the aftermath. Oh, I want to see the trucks. Oh. I want to see this shit. Damn! Jenny! Damn! Yes. Dude, the snow's like up to the wheels on your car. You gotta see what's cracking. Come see your truck. Where'd you go? Where'd you move? Where'd you move? Come look at your car! Oh, crap!
Holy, look at yours.
That's Gaston's. Went to the garage. Ah, Booger!
Lord.
Ah, Booger, who are you with? Are you with Theo?
Well, that's not good at all.
Told you. There's no, you're not taking that out. There's no way you can. The aftermath of last night. I want to do that so badly. I don't know if I could though.
How long is the big pile over there gonna be there?
Move, 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 move.
Easy.
Look at sinking!
Ah, I can't get out! Oh my god! That's cold! No, duh! It is cold! Really? Yeah, we can move this and we're good. Oh, crap. Go back, Mama, go back. Holy shit. Hey, wait a minute, I lost my hat.
It's in the hood. Yeah.
Woo! Come on, Izzy! Come over! Come on, baby cakes! Say hi, Booger.
Hi.
Pretty. Cold,
Hey,
cold,
Izzy, look at me.
cold, cold,
Look
cold,
at me,
cold, cold.
Iz.
Send it, Mama. Whee! Yeah, camera.
Look, Lily and Izzy.
Okay.
Stay there, girl.
No more easy. No more easy. No more easy.
Look at me, girls.
That's cracking.
Look at, okay.
You're buried. Can we put Sammy too?
Yeah, why not? Stay there, Lily and Izzy.
Mom, go in the garden and play with your
Stay around the manta.
Ah, booger!
Mom, go to Tony's house and me and Meg go.
Take a picture with Sammy.
Tony wants to have a snowball fight.
Get by your sister, Izzy, quick! Girls rule! Snuggle in!
Come on, Izzy.
Hurry up, squeeze! Stay right there, Lily. Right there by Sammy. Ready? Ready, set,
Sammy.
cheese! Sammy! Mama!
Booger, peekaboo.
I'm gonna get out now. Mom, can me and Meg will go solo fight?
Hold on, I got Sammy. Come here, Booger. Espérate. Think I'm good, I'm done.
No, come and help me. Please.
Look at the truck.
See, look around. You don't want it?
Woo! You're covered in snow. Crap, let's go. Woo! Let's go there. Let's go there. Take her. The pouch thing I don't think was a good suggestion.
Stay in there.
Is it full of snow?
I don't know.
Stay in there. Stay in there.
I'd
Somewhat.
change her upstairs.
Somewhat.
We go out front and tell Daddy we gotta come back here.